So here I have some sections of plywood, and they have a cherry edge banding on one edge, right? And I had been using a hand plane to clean up those edges, saw marks or mill marks, but inevitably I would have some swirly grain that would kind of chip out. So I decided to use a belt sander, and one of the reasons I wanted to do this because I had a naysayer tell me that I was a hack and that belt sanders were used for rough work and I didn't know what I was doing. Let me just show you how you can finesse a belt sander on something like this. The belt sander wants to sit there on its own. It wants to balance, right? Super easy. Of course, I'll only be using the center of the belt sander, and all I have to do is find the balance point and then just pull the trigger. I can run that for a little bit, shut it off, check the balance. Feels good. Keep on going. I believe I have a 180 grit belt on here. And as long as I keep checking that, then I know it's going to be sanding that edge nice and square. And in actuality, this goes much faster than I'm showing in the video. The belt sander is heavy, but it has a very low center of gravity, so it behaves well. It wants to stay balanced right on that edge. And just like that, quick and easy, that edge is nice and sanded, smooth. Let me grab a light here, double check everything. A low raking light will show any scratches left behind or even some areas that I may have missed, right? I'm gonna grab a square, boom, beautiful. So yeah, you can use a belt sander to do finesse work, right? No light showing under the square, dead on balls, accurate.